Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you subject mathematics. In mathematics we will study the next part of chapter 7, variation. Let us study about inverse variation. The statement x is inversely proportional to y can also be expressed as there is inverse variation in x and y. If x and y are in inverse proportion, then x multiplied by y is a constant. Assuming the constant to be k, and it is easy to solve a problem. If x varies inversely as y, then x multiplied by y is a constant. X inversely varies as y is written as x inversely varies to y. If x is inversely varies to y, here x is equal to k divided by y, or x multiplied by y is equal to k. This is the equation of variation, and k is the constant of variation. Solved example. The information about numbers of workers and number of days to complete a work is given in the following table. Complete the table. Number of workers A, days B. Here 30 workers, then days required to complete that work 6. We don't know here. Here number of days are given. Here number of workers are given. Here we have to find out number of days. Here number of days given, and we have to find out number of workers. Solution here. Here A inversely varies to B. Therefore A is equal to k divided by B. K is a constant of variation. Therefore k is equal to A multiplied by B. When A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 6. Here A is equal to 30 and B is equal to 6. Therefore k is equal to 30 multiplied by 6 is equal to 180. Now for second column, if B is equal to 12, this B is equal to 12 is given, and we have to find out value of A, means numbers of workers. Therefore A multiplied by B is equal to 180. A multiplied by 12 is equal to 180, and therefore A is equal to 15. For this third column, if A is equal to 10, we have to find out value of B, means numbers of days required to complete that work. Therefore A multiplied by B is equal to 180. Therefore 10 multiplied by B is equal to 180, and therefore B is equal to 18. 18 days required to complete that work for 10 workers. Here for column number 4, if B is equal to 36, then we have to find out value of A. Therefore A multiplied by B is equal to 180, and therefore A multiplied by 36 is equal to 180, and therefore B is equal to 5. Find the constant of variation and write equation of variation for every example given below. If P is inversely varies to Q, if P is equal to 15 and Q is equal to 4. 2. Z is inversely varies to W when Z is equal to 2.5, then W is equal to 24. Solutions. P is inversely varies to Q, and therefore P multiplied by Q is equal to K. When P is equal to 15 and Q is equal to 4. Therefore K is equal to 15 multiplied by 4. Therefore k is equal to 60, constant of variation. For example number 2, sub question number 2, z inversely varies to w. Z multiplied by w is equal to k when z is equal to 2.5 and q is equal to 24. Therefore k is equal to 2.5 multiplied by 24. Therefore k is equal to 60, constant of variation. Example number 3. The boxes are to be filled with apples in a heap. If 24 apples are put in a box, then 27 boxes are needed. If 36 apples are filled in a box, how many boxes will be needed? Solution. Let us numbers of apples be x and numbers of boxes be y. X is inversely varies as y. X is equal to k divided by y. K is a constant of variation. Therefore k is equal to x multiplied by y is equal to 24 multiplied by 27 is equal to 648. Now let us find y when x is equal to 36. Therefore x multiplied by y is equal to 648. Therefore 36 multiplied by y is equal to 648. Therefore y is equal to 648 divided by 36, and therefore y is equal to 18 boxes required for given apples. Thank you for watching this video.